everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my Pan of Dinosaurs update for you. This is a PANtastic Ladies collab that was created by Taro. She's cruelty-free panner. Wow, that's a tongue twister. I'm going to have her listed down below along with everyone else that has joined into this project. This started on August 8th and it will end April of next year, so April 8th, 2022, and it's all about dinosaurs. It is, which I had to join in because my oldest son is a dinosaur fanatic, and it makes him happy that I can borrow his dinosaurs to do this project. I know more about dinosaurs than I ever wanted to know, but it's kind of cool that, I have something that I can talk to him about that he truly enjoys. So let's get into this. This is not the greatest update, but it's not horrible. So it is what it is. We're just going to go with it. We are. I forgot to pull my empty. I do have one empty, and I think it is over here. I don't know where I put it. This might be it. I think this is it. All right, let's get into this as my camera adjusts. All right. I'm just going to go in the order that they are on the spreadsheet. Ankylosaurus, that's something that protects you. I have this Neostrata sheer hydration with sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 35. Honestly, I think I've used this twice because I don't leave my house a whole lot lately because it's cold and I don't like to be cold. And I didn't even make a new line. It is literally just below the line that is currently on there. So it wasn't even worth making a new line on that one. For Diplodocus, that is something that is long. It's going to be a running theme. I really didn't use this one because it's the last month of the year and I'm trying so hard to get some things done that have to be done at this calendar year. So this e.l.f. matte lip, I really haven't used. But I will say this, for a lot of these products that are in here, I am pretty much setting myself up to hit the ground running on January 1 when, it's free reign again, and I don't have any, deadlines where I have to have stuff finished, right away, so I can play again a little bit more. So not a whole lot of progress on this one, except for my one empty. Next one is Mosasaurus. That's something monstrous. I have these Epsom salts here. It was sealed. As you can see, it is cut open now. It was about at this line last time, and now I'm at this line. I still have not gotten a battery for my scale, so I can't even weigh it for you. It started at 4 pounds. It's less than 4 pounds now. I know that because I've used a little bit for bath and soaking feet and stuff like that because, by the end of the day, this mom's dogs, they're barking. That's what they're doing. All right, moving on to Pachycephalosaurus. That's something that makes you want to bang your head against the wall. Nothing wrong with this lip balm, but one, I haven't touched it. It's Balea. It was sent to me from someone in Germany. It's potted. I don't like potted lip stuff. I really don't. When I get to this, I'm probably going to scrape it out and melt it down and put it in another lip balm tube. So until it's time for me to do that, that one's just going to be kind of sitting off to the side. Parasaurolophus, something with weird shaped packaging. I have the YSL Libre perfume because Parasaurolophus has a goofy looking head, which when I brought it in, I showed you. And the cap on this is kind of goofy shaped. It's weird. So it just kind of made sense in my head to go with that particular dinosaur. And yeah, that's why I chose that one. Haven't touched it. Haven't touched it because if y'all watch me for any length of time, in Girls Night, I'm trying to finish a gallon of body spray, and that is my priority. That is my priority right now. That ends on January 24th, whether I finish it or not. So January 24th, I will be using a lot of my fragrances that I haven't touched. All right, for Pterosaurus, that is, wait a minute, did I miss anything? Nope, I didn't. So Pterosaurus, that is something light and airy. Johnson's Baby Powder, it's the cornstarch version. I have definitely made big progress from here to here, and I knew that was going to happen because now it's too cold to wear sandals, where, before I was just going barefoot or had sandals on most of the time. Now that I have boots and tennis shoes and real shoes on all the time, I sprinkle a little bit of that in my shoes after I'm done wearing them, and it like helps absorb any moisture and any odors and stuff like that, because nobody wants stinky feet. So that's how I use this, and yeah, it's getting a lot more usage now because I'm wearing shoes a lot more frequently. Yeah, so I'm not worried about that one getting done. All right, let's see, for Stegosaurus, something that is slow going. This is the Vaseline Intensive Care Healthy Body Complexion Lotion. I was measuring it this way. I was here. I had this much left last time. It got to the point where I couldn't even pump it out anymore. It's because it's super thick, and once you get lower, the weight doesn't kind of push that back down. So I've turned it upside down now, and I have, I borrowed a cap from something else. So I am here now, so I only have that much space left. And I don't know that I'll have it done by the next update, but I think I'm going to be pretty close on that. This time of year, I use lotion like it's my job, and I think that one might be speeding along in the next month or so. Moving on to Triceratops. That is something that plays well with others. My hair care, it took me a long time to figure out what works for my hair, but all of my hair care, whether it's my shampoo and conditioner, my leave-ins, my stylers, they all play really well together. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. I only used it once since last time I've been really working on my gel, so I did not draw a new line, but I have a feeling this one will be done by the next update because I actually just finished the gel I was working on today, so I'll be working on the mousse next. I mean, I still will use some gel. I have other gels, but I'll spend a little more time with my mousse. All right, moving on to Velociraptor, something that surprised you. I actually forgot to pull this one out, but it's right here on my desk, so, you know, I can just grab it. This is the Coastal Scents Mica Pigment in Winterveld. I have slightly expanded the pan, but again, much like a lot of other things, there are eyeshadows that I have to finish this calendar year, especially with my 100 eyeshadow goal. So I've not been showing that the love that it deserves. Come January 1, that's going to get a lot of attention, like a lot of attention. And let's see, I missed my empty. That is for Tyrannosaurus. That's something that is bold. It was an eyeshadow. It was a blue eyeshadow that was pressed into here from the Coastal Scents 88 palette. It was, if I try not to blind you, it was this shade that was right there. So that one is done. I did wear it a lot on my eyes, but in the end, I ultimately frankened it with a little bit of green to make a lovely teal color, and that is how I was able to finish it up. So happy to have that done. All right, so I could roll stuff in, or I could hold off because I have a lot of stuff in right now. I have 3 dinosaurs left, and I think I am going to roll in 2 dinosaurs because I was originally going to do 3, but I've been trying to get my son's dinosaurs to be able to do this update. He only found 1 dinosaur, but he did have a dinosaur card for another one. And the other one, I pulled out his encyclopedia of dinosaurs like this, and I grabbed it when I was downstairs getting my son ready for bed, and I actually left the book in his room, and it's like the door's closed, and I don't want to wake him up. So it'll get rolled in January. It's going to be okay. I can roll in something new in January. So we're going to go with the one he actually has a dinosaur for. This is Dilophosaurus. Yeah, he's got a funky head, doesn't he? He's kind of a weird dinosaur, I know. And the product for Dilophosaurus is something that is misunderstood. A product that is misunderstood. And because he's got a goofy head, I thought it should be a hair product because, you know. This is the product that is misunderstood. This is the Marc Anthony Dream Waves Beach Spray. This and many other beach sprays that used to be popular are very misunderstood because a lot of people will take these with stick straight hair that has never had a wave in their head at all and think that they can spray this on and make waves in their hair. It just doesn't work like that. You have to have something to work with in order to get those beachy waves, or you have to use like a curling iron or something to at least start to get the beachy waves. So that's why I chose this for something misunderstood, because I can't tell you how many people I have watched on YouTube or in real life using a beach spray with bone straight hair thinking that they are going to get waves from a beach spray. Ain't gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. All right, moving on to the easy one, Spinosaurus. That is something liquid. My son's Spinosaurus is packed away somewhere. He can't find it. So he did give me one of his cards. It's got all like the information on the back. Yes, my son is he's a dinosaur nerd, but it's cute. It really is. At 9 years old, when he can spout off like all this information without actually looking at it, it's cute, at least in this mama's world. So Spinosaurus, something liquid, because they swim like crazy. They don't live in the water, but they definitely swim a lot, and they're fish eaters. So I chose this Ion inspired by nature. This is the Nourishing After Color Treatment infused with algae. There's actually 2 parts to this, and they are both liquid. This is the After Color Treatment. It is like super liquid in there. And then, of course, this is the Orchid Stem Cell Solution, which is also very liquid in there. I am probably going to do another demi-permanent on my hair before the end of this project. This is not going to get used right away, but so after I do that, I'm going to probably put this on, and hopefully I won't get the fade as fast. It's not that bad, but hopefully it won't fade quite as fast. So those are the 2 products that I brought in for the 2 dinosaurs, and yeah, I will be if I could speak, I will be bringing in Archaeopteryx in January. And so at least there's something to look forward to as far as a new roll-in. Because I do want to actually get through all these dinosaurs. And if I get through them all and there's still time left, I might throw a few extra dinosaurs in there and come up with my own prompts. Because this has been fun for me and for my son. All right, definitely check out everyone else that has joined in. They are down below. Sorry I can't talk today because my brain is fried. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.